Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,223 in a row. Here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use to invest in Bitcoin daily. It's a full service banking and investing app, very simple to use. If you aren't familiar with it, you can check out the videos on my channel where there's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up at the link in the description and get $5 for free. Current Bitcoin price, $28,937, dropping as we speak, unfortunately. My current balance, $2,793, down over 4% today, down about 2% over the past week, down about 3.5% over the past month. You can see it's very much just a sideways pattern here when nothing much is happening, and down 22% over the past year. But again, doesn't look like very much is happening when you take a look at the chart there. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see if there's any news. Inflation hits unexpected 40-year high of 8.6% as Bitcoin holds 29,500. Inflation is insane. Economy is looking kind of rough. Lots of recession terms thrown around lately. I think we'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. With Bitcoin price slipping, are minor sell-offs to blame? Luxury retailers accept Bitcoin. Swedish central bankers snipe Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin price falls due to US inflation. How extreme Texas weather impacts the Bitcoin mining industry. Nothing too crazy there, but you can come and read those if you're interested. Bitcoin owned 0.09661203, getting very close to 0.1 Bitcoin of this experiment. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's gonna give us our order details here, and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin to our balance. Scroll down here, see we're now at 0.09664544. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,811 divided by 1,223 days equals a 2.29x in my investment. Still doing very well there. What that means for every dollar that I'll put into this experiment, now I have $2.29. Let's go ahead and do the dollar gain on this. $2,808 minus 1,223 days equals a $1,585 gain. Not bad. You can see the Bitcoin price is very volatile right now. You can see my balance just shooting up and down a few dollars there every minute or so. So let's talk about the overall economy and inflation and a recession. You guys know I collect, buy, sell, trade Pokemon cards a little bit, mostly just for fun, just a hobby. My Instagram is 100 Charizards if you want to give me a follow there. But as I try to sell cards here, usually on a daily basis, I have something up for sale. I've definitely noticed that it's becoming harder to sell things lately. There's less buyers, people aren't offering as much. It's harder to move cards, and it's been becoming increasingly more hard, like over the past month or so. Like, it's definitely noticeable. So I don't know if this is like we're in a recession, or people know we're gonna be in a recession, or is the recession just starting? I don't know where we're at in that process. Maybe this is the time to buy. It's hard for me to say. I just keep the cards that I want, that I love, and I'm selling the ones for profit that I don't necessarily think that I need to keep in my collection. That's kind of how I do it. I keep it pretty simple. So I can't give like an exact analysis. I just know, like, over the past month, each day it seems like it's harder to sell things. So I don't know where we're at in that process of recession, or if that would last a month. Does it last a year? Does it last multiple years? Who knows? But it's definitely noticeable. People aren't buying as much. Gas prices are higher. I'm noticing like food and groceries and stuff like that are higher. Like all the restaurants that I eat at, the prices are like double what they were a year or 2 years back. It's crazy. You used to be able to get a meal for like $8. Now, like, if you want something good, it's like $15. So yeah, that's my analysis. I'm not like an expert on any of this. I'm just sharing what I've experienced Hope you found this video helpful or interesting. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.